Hello, little artists! Today, we're jumping into the world of colors, full of rainbows, magic, and fun.
Red like roses, bright and sweet. Apples and hearts, what a treat!
Orange like the sunset sky, warm and happy, flying high.
Yellow like sunshine, bright and warm, bringing smiles. A happy charm! Sunrise! Green for grass, trees, and peas. Nature's hug in every breeze. Blue for sky and ocean deep. Dreamy color when we sleep.
Purple grapes and magic night, color of dreams and fairy light.
All the colors hand in hand make a rainbow bright and grand. Sing with joy and paint your day with magic colors all the way. Beautiful job, friends. You learned all the colors. Keep smiling and keep learning with Kiddie Learn Laugh.